Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply gradient fill to a shape in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to apply the gradient fill to a shape. Go to the insert menu firstly. Then select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the decagon, then draw the decagon, press and hold shift on our keyboard to make the ratio perfect. Go to the shape format menu, select the shape fill. Now I am select the gradient option and go to more gradient. We can see here open the format shape option. Now I am check mark on the gradient fill. Now I am remove some gradient stops and select the stops, then select the color. Now I am select color, select another stops and select another color. You can change the color easily. You can remove the outline color, select the line option, choose no line. Select the color, select white, otherwise no line. Now we can see we apply gradient fill to shape in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.